You know, lately I've been getting a lot of questions about aphids in the garden. And as many of you know, most of my remedies are going to involve companion planting. So, for instance, interplanting plants like lavender can definitely help because of its strong aroma. Additionally, plants like rosemary, their strong smell, not to mention their woody texture, aphids can't stand. Also, you have plants like cilantro, fennel, and dill. All can help deter the aphids as well. Not to mention other non-herb types like onions and chives, garlic. But let's not forget about our flowers, for instance like French marigolds. And then there's petunias as well. But for them it's more about the fuzzy texture as opposed to the smell. Now speaking of smells, there's always my favorite, which is mint. This is actually a variety of banana mint. Alright, and before I let you go, I want to show you some companion planting in action. Now here's a successful example of companion planting. In this elevated raised bed, there's strawberries, there's lettuce, and there's marigolds, all interplanted together, and not a pest in sight. So for me, when it comes to controlling pests in your garden, my money's always going to be on companion planting. Hopefully this helps you out. For more information, definitely check out the description. And as always, if you have any questions, just drop me a line in the comments. Alright gang, talk to you later.